और फिर यहाँ से हमने हम तीनों ने लिम्का ली और लिम्का लेके हम आगे बढ़ रहे हैं। तो लिम्का का टेस्ट अच्छा है। और यहाँ पे फ़ोटो सेशन के लिए भी कुछ स्टेचूज़ अवेलेबल है, यहाँ पे फ़ोटोज़ भी खींच सकते हैं। और ये एक अच्छा डेस्टिनेशन है फ़ोटो खींचने के लिए। यहाँ पे वॉशरूम भी अवेलेबल है अगर किसी को यूज़ करना है तो। चलिए आगे बढ़ते हैं। चलो 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 चलो, बहुत हो गया सौंदर्य दर्शन, आगे बढ़ते हैं अपन। Maximum from Delhi only. Here outside there also available the food courts, and here the less water is there. यहाँ स्मॉल शॉप्स भी अवेलेबल है, कुछ यहाँ से ख़रीद भी सकते हैं। बट आई थिंक यहाँ पे एक्सपेंसिव होगी सारी चीज़ें, तो आई विल रिकमेंड कि आप यहाँ से कुछ ना ख़रीदें, क्योंकि प्लेस के अकॉर्डिंग अगर कोई चीज़ एक्सपेंसिव है तो मैं प्रेफरेंस नहीं देता उस चीज़ को। यहाँ से आउटसाइड इंडिया से भी लोग आके यहाँ पे एक्सप्लोर करते हैं। और ये कंप्लीट नेचुरल वादियों में बसा हुआ एरिया है। ऋतुराज चलो। यहाँ कुछ एरिया में म्यूज़िक सिस्टम भी चल रहा है, लोग उसका भी आनंद ले रहे हैं। We can go inside a little and then we can go out. Here we can hear the for kids. There are playground also available there. Fresh. So you are enjoying that song? Are you able to understand what they are saying? Oh,
Only music.
huh? Only music. Okay.
You can understand that beat.
It's a very nice meaning of that song. क्या होता है मीनिंग, मेरे को भी समझाना।
मुझे कुछ समझ में नहीं
मेवाड़ी में बात कर रहा हूँ, राजस्थानी
तो आप ही बता सकते हो।
सुन्नी।
पुष्कर जी एम्प्लॉयर, पुष्कर जी द बिजनेसमैन, पुष्कर जी द यूट्यूबर एंड पुष्कर जी द ब्लॉगर।
Lancer also. Entrepreneur. सही बोला मैंने, entrepreneur.
फैमिली मैन, बैचलर।
Now I am bachelor. After some time I will be a family man.
After reaching home.
Yeah. We are at outside. So here the ticket counter is available. So it takes only 30 rupees per person, 35 rupees. And you can, they will accept only cash only. So might be they having some legal complications to collect the cash. So here you can see that area, washroom, staff parking. Outside also the food courts and other things are also available. here properties for sales. There are some personal properties are also there.
कोई नहीं थी मैडम हाँ ये बराबर છે પણ
Press fit.
પપ્પા તમે જોગીમાં
चलेगा नहीं. Oh, here you can see horror movies, actions are also there. Here also the
What they
different,
mentioned, 500. Rooms.
different kind of Jurmana. I think don't here.
Okay.
You are in a CCTV Nigrani. So if you will found in that way, then 500 of fine is there. Where is the Rituraj?
He's taking the.
Okay. So we can explore that side. Rituraj, we are going that way. So everybody is making the business here with a different concepts. So I like that all the concept, like people how people can make the money. The first time visitor to make the pool, then they can take the money. Would you like a kala khatta? Okay.
You can take.
No, that's okay.
I like, but just now I taken the juice, so.
Yeah, already it's too much. So here also people are coming from different background. Here someone is making the song also.
हर किसी से कहाँ मिलती है तबीयत अपनी हर किसी से कहाँ मिलती है
And one of the powerful logo is also found there. So people are coming from different background here also. Here the public in area that parking is available. So people are taking too much money for that parking area. And this is the end point of this area. And then we will move forward with our next destination. So we already covered 3 destinations here. One is the temple, another one is this Guchipani, and we also try to explore one forest area also, like and in that forest area the work is going on, so they didn't allow us to enter into that forest area. Oh, now it's too good area. Okay. Here the full of the parking area is available. Some of the good places are also there in that hill station area. Inside this also the hill station is there. The transmission line are also going inside this cavity area towards this any other area that is away from here. And the flag is also there of Indian flag. And here we take sleepers for going inside that and here we put over all the baggage. Our parking area is in that side. So let me explain about the price of that parking. So they are taking 50 rupees of the bike and 100 rupees for the four-wheelers. Also, if you need to put your helmet and your baggage here, then they will charge for 20 rupees each item. So it's better you can keep all the things in your personal spaces, or you can club it in a single way. So you can save the money while you are traveling here. So this is our parking area. So this is the Rituraj bike, Royal Enfield. So I think he is having very deep interest into the biking and all those things. So he's able to buy this bike in an expensive way, but I am very calculative person. So I buy this Pulsar 150cc. So it is having much power also, and also the mileage of this bike is very high side, and the reliability of this bike is also higher side. So we can use anywhere this bike for personal way, for offices, for long traveling also. So it can give you up to 55 kilometer per hour, kilometer per liter mileage, and also the top speed of this bike will be go up to 110 kilometer per hour with control speed. But I will recommend to use only 80 kilometer per hour with this bike. So it will be better. It will be in a control way. Okay, so we can collect our baggage and we can put here, and then we can close it. Okay, Suresh, baggage.
கேட்டு நான் சொல்கிறேன் எவ்வளோ என்னது. ஏன்னா மற்ற டிபார்ட்மெண்ட் தெரியாது. ஈஸின்னு கேட்டி என்னோட
Department. Okay. So here we put all the baggages. The charges is 20 rupees per item. Okay, that's it for today for this location, and we are going for the next location, and then we will explain the further things at the next location.